Good afternoon and welcome back to Just Ask Dave. It's been a while, I've been so busy. Today we're going to look at the Zone 1 dish, ideal for freesat. Start off, we've got his dish arm, wall mounting brackets, and we've got our screws. So to start off with, we'll bend this round, open your arm out so it looks a bit like that. Then, as you can see, the bottom of the dish is a square hole. Put your arm through the square hole and line the screw holes up with the back of the dish. Get the screws, just rip them open. You want the four black screws there, as you can see. So line your arm up back again. One screw in there, a bit fiddly, just one in, two in, three and four. Take your screwdriver, pulley drive, just tighten them up. So then your bracket arm is securely on the dish. As you can see from the back, that bit now, we can either mount it to the wall by inserting that over there, and then inserting, and look to the other nut of the bolts, goes into there, screws up underneath, which I haven't got the fingers for. That's better. That's one. And for these ones you'll require a 10mm spanner to tighten them up. That's that one in. Another one for the bottom. Dish is secure, then be mounted on the wall. You can also mount your dish onto a pole. You have a pole, just take this back off here, you don't need that on there. What you do with the pole mount, to pole mount it you have a pole mount kit, which is two long bolts, and two nuts. Insert your bolts through the two holes there, one there, one there. As you can see then, that fits around the pole. That onto there, get your nuts. These things are 13 mils. That's it. Take a 13mm spanner. And that's your dish onto your pole, and just release the bolts at the back just to align your dish up. Once it's in line, just nip it back up. And then you can either add a single LMB, which as you can see on the bottom of the arm, there's two little pegs. Push onto there, and that fits over your arm. Into there, and your little pin into there. That holds your LMB on tight. You can also fit a quad LMB as well, do the same thing if you need it for 4 ways. Thank you.